What if the sun could power your home and cut your bills at the same time? Welcome back to the channel. Today we reveal the top 5 best solar power panels that actually deliver real savings and performance. Stick around, explore your options, and grab your perfect pick through the links in description. At number 5 is Renogy N-Type power bills. Don't just rise, they quietly drain your freedom month after month, and that frustration pushes many people towards smarter energy choices. In the world of top 5 best solar power panels, this model stands out by packing serious efficiency into a compact, space-saving design that fits perfectly on vans, rooftops, or tight installations. Many solar panels lose performance in heat or cloudy weather, but this one tackles both with advanced N-type cell technology and around 25% efficiency, delivering steady output even when conditions are not ideal. It is especially suited for off-grid users, travelers, and homeowners in warmer climates who need consistent energy without bulky setups. On the positive side, its lightweight build, lower degradation rate, and flexible battery compatibility make it highly practical. On the downside, premium efficiency often comes at a higher upfront cost compared to basic polycrystalline panels. Still, compared with older generation panels that struggle in heat, Renogy N-Type feels more refined and future-ready, offering a dependable path toward cleaner, more controlled energy use. At number 4 is RVPOZWER 200WA. Quiet revolution begins the moment your power stops, depending on the grid. For many, unreliable electricity and rising energy costs turn simple living into daily frustration. This is where the RVPOZWER 200W steps in with purpose. Compact yet powerful, it captures sunlight with impressive efficiency, delivering consistent output even in less than perfect conditions. Setup feels refreshingly simple. Pre-drilled mounting points save time, making it ideal for RV travelers, off-grid cabins, or rooftop systems seeking dependable solar energy. Durability stands out. Built to endure harsh weather, it keeps producing when lesser panels struggle. Compared to others, it sacrifices some peak power, but wins in flexibility and ease of installation. That trade-off suits users who value portability and quick deployment. It is especially appealing for beginners entering renewable energy without complexity. There are limits in total output for heavy loads, yet for balanced everyday use, it performs with quiet confidence. A small panel that makes a surprisingly strong statement. On number 3 is Callsun N-Type. Most people underestimate how much energy they lose before it ever reaches their home. Weak panels, shading issues, and slow charging quietly drain potential every day. This is where the Callsun N-Type changes the conversation. Built with advanced N-type cells and bifacial technology, it captures sunlight from both sides, turning reflected light into usable power. The result feels immediate: more output, more consistency, even when conditions are less than ideal. Installation stays simple. Compact sizing and pre-drilled mounting make it a practical choice for vans, rooftops, and off-grid setups. Twin-cell design keeps energy flowing even when part of the panel sits in shade, solving a common frustration for many users. Compared to others, it pushes efficiency further, but comes at a slightly higher cost. That balance suits users who want smarter performance without jumping to oversized systems. Ideal for travelers, homeowners, and anyone chasing reliable solar energy. Power that refuses to fade when you need it most. At number 2 is Renogy REGO. Power doesn't fail all at once, it fades slowly when your panels cannot keep up with real conditions. Many buyers face this silent drop, especially with shading, heat, and limited roof space working against them. That is where the Renogy REGO steps in with a smarter approach. Shadow flux anti-shading design keeps energy flowing even when part of the panel is blocked. Efficiency stays impressively high, translating sunlight into steady output without hesitation. Compact sizing makes installation feel effortless, especially for RV owners and tight rooftops where every inch matters. Built to handle harsh weather, it delivers reliable performance through changing seasons. Compared to others, it may lack bifacial gains, yet it excels in stability under shade. That difference matters for real-world use, ideal for travelers, off-grid users, and homeowners seeking dependable solar power without complexity. It is not about chasing peak numbers, it is about consistent energy you can trust day after day. Now moving to the last one, is Callsun 180W N-Type. Most solar setups fail quietly, not because they lack power, but because they waste space and miss hidden energy around them. That frustration fades the moment this panel starts working. Designed with advanced N-type cells and bifacial capture, it pulls light from both direct sun and reflected surfaces, squeezing more output from every inch. The slim frame fits tight rooftops effortlessly, making it a smart choice for vans, trailers, and compact off-grid systems. Twin-cell circuitry keeps energy flowing even under partial shade, solving a common real-world limitation. Compared to others, it trades a bit of shading optimization for stronger dual-sided energy gain, giving users a different kind of advantage. Performance stays stable in heat, extending charging hours beyond typical panels. Ideal for travelers, DIY installers, and anyone maximizing limited space. It is a focused upgrade that turns overlooked light into dependable power, day after day, without compromise. The Callsun 180W N-Type takes the lead by turning every ray into usable power. Its bifacial design boosts energy from both sides, while twin-cell technology keeps output steady even with partial shade. It fits tight spaces, yet delivers strong performance. Compared to Renogy REGO, it offers greater real-world efficiency. Ideal for off-grid setups, it maximizes every inch and every hour of sunlight. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best solar power panels. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.